Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope everyone had an amazing day like I have today. My name is Joanna. I'm a trichologist in the Tampa Bay area, and I want to go ahead and continue my non surgical hair replacement segment that we've been going through. So, last time we spoke about hair toppers. Today, I want to talk to you about wigs. So, as a hair loss specialist or trichologist or someone who does non-surgical hair replacement, we actually call them cranial prosthesis. So, for that, it is considered a custom-made wig specifically designed for someone who is going through medical hair loss. It's a big thing as well because when you're um, working with a client that has hair loss, if we either customize their medical wigs, we can actually check with your insurance to see if it is covered under your insurance. Now, there's different things that we go through to find out and verify what the insurance company, if they actually do cover it. But there is a difference between medical wigs versus cosmetic wigs right now. So our custom medical wigs are actually made with higher quality material and higher quality hair. A lot of reasons, obviously, mainly for safety reasons. They have a different safety control. Your cosmetic wig is like the fashion, people doing all the colors and they're just wearing it not really because they need it, but they're looking for a style or a color that they're wanting to achieve. So that's a little bit of the difference between the two. The custom medical wigs, anything that we go through custom, think of you can get a custom base, something that's much more breathable, comfortable. We do measurements on them. The measurement, it's like for it to fit and sit on your head and feel as comfortable as wearing a glove. It's perfectly fitted. At times, if it's measured properly, you wouldn't have to use any bond or what we call our adhesive, any tape or anything. It just sits perfectly on your head. No worries about it falling or anything. Again, that also plays a major part for your insurance. So, depending on your insurance company, is what they cover, what your benefits are, and so forth. Now, as far as hair, there's some difference between hair as well. So there's human hair and there's synthetic hair. So human hair obviously is going to be more on your higher end. Same thing with the custom medical wig is going to be at your higher price point than your cosmetic wigs. So the human hair, you can basically do anything with it. You can wash, you can style, you can go swimming, you can just live your life normal with a custom human hair wig. Synthetic is going to be at your lower end. It's already styled, it's already in a color that you can get it, you can't color it, you can't do anything. Is you just put it on and go. Then there's also high fiber synthetic. So it's like consider your higher end synthetic hair. That one's pretty cool because it is in the medium price point. So it's not as expensive as human hair, but it's not as inexpensive as the regular synthetic hair. And the reason for that, it actually kind of mimics what human hair does. It has a beautiful style. It feels nicer. It doesn't leave that like glossy look that regular synthetic hair has. So those are a little bit of some differences. The other thing about the higher end synthetic hair is you can actually use light or low heat on it. You can wash it, so that's really cool too. And price point wise, depending on what you're needing, that works really well. Now, who is someone that would be needing a cranial prosthesis? What type of hair loss? So, typically, someone who's going through chemotherapy, just so that when they're going through their chemo, you don't want anything that's going to jeopardize the therapy, no bond, no tape, anything like that. However, when they go out in public, they want to feel a little bit more secure and more confident on it. They don't want people to know maybe they're going through it. Um, the other thing is that, or the other hair loss, I should say, is alopecia totalis, alopecia universalis. Those are some of the hair loss that someone may consider to using a custom medical wig. And if anything, if you guys know of anyone that's going through, Any type of medical hair loss, I highly advise to speak to a trichologist or hair loss specialist, someone who actually does non-surgical hair replacement as well, as an option to go over. And at Fabulously Made Salon, we do offer those services, and we kind of break down with everything, especially when you're custom. Anything custom, you're going to get exactly what you're looking for. We can actually mimic your style that you used to wear, so no one will ever notice a difference. But if you guys have any questions or concern, you need some help, you can DM me, send me a message. You can also book an appointment at fabulously.made.com, or you can call or text us at 813-444-3229. I'm hoping these videos are actually really helping out. And again, feel free to reach out anytime, guys. I hope everyone have a great and safe evening and a great weekend, guys. Have a good one and take care.